Veg heads alert! Wonk, wonk, wonk. It's all about the leaves today. Ever cook with grape leaves? Greek dolmates. Wait till you try my veg heads version. Stuffed with sweet, jammy, caramelized onions. Oh boy. Traditional dolmates are full of rice, but I've got a wild idea. That's right, veg heads. You know what time it is. That's right, it's time for my
Grain of the day!
wild rice. This North American native grain has been an indigenous staple for thousands of years. Technically, it's a watergrass, not rice, and it's farmed, not wild. But the taste, my friends, the taste, that is wild. I love the smell of dill in the morning. Dolmade filling. Sweet, caramelized onions, nutty rice, and those gorgeous herbs. And a little brightness of lemon. Back to the grape leaves. For dolmades, the grape leaf is not only a wrapper, they're part of the cooking method. Water and cornstarch makes a little slurry. Food glue. Let's roll. A smaller lid keeps the dolmades down and lets the steam out. Wild leaves, wow.